Hello everyone! I'm glad to see you all again after a well-deserved holiday rest. I hope each and single one of you was able to spend their Christmas and New Year's Eve with your loved ones and managed to get a break. And now that we're all back, let me introduce myself. I am Carl Christian Toso, together with my partner, Juan de Guzman Rosella, here to present our comic strip. So, we'll be presenting the comic strip itself and leaving you with 20 seconds to understand its context. So what's happening here is one of our characters is zoning out as usual and suddenly Squinty decides, seeming like he's analyzing something. In the next panel, another character appears, asking what he's doing. The next panel shows a blank wall, floor, and ceilings. Then on the next panel, it shows the same room but with mathematical equations in an opaque, transparent look, making it seem like it's only present in the character's imagination. Then lastly, the character replies with nothing as he continues to analyze the measurements and geometry of the wall.
As for the relevance of this comic, on what we have learned about mathematics in our academic journey is how mathematics can be applied, seen, and visualized wherever we go. From the furniture inside our homes or necessities in our classrooms to the outside infrastructure, further showing our realization and appreciation for the presence of mathematics. And that will be all. Thank you for listening and goodbye.